everyone. My name is Hafid. You can call me Rian. I'm from T1B class. I'm studying at S.Tr Politeknik of Semarang. I will tell you about how to use ohmmeter. Ohmmeter is an electronic device that measures consists in electronic circuit component. Ohmmeter consists of a scale screen with an indicator needle or a digital screen, orange letter, and two broad ends. Learn how to use this tool to find out how to measure resistance from almost any object. This is now for the tools needed. For number one is resistor, ohmmeter, and connecting cable. Okay, here are the tools. For step 1, disconnect completely and or turn off all power in the circuit under test to get the correct measure as well as ensure your safety. We recommended that the test circuit must be completely off. According to the blueprint instruction in fault or ohmmeter, testing the electrical circuit can damage your meter, circuit, and yourself. But this time we don't use the circuit, only one resistor. For next steps, insert the test tint into the meter socket. We will see the common, this is common or negative connection, and this is positive connection. Applicable, this is applicable connected to a negative connection. This is common or negative connection. And the red cable is connected to a positive connection. It is positive connection. Connected. And step 4, set the rotary knob to 0. This is knob to 0. Adjust resistance. We will adjust resistance by touching both ends of the probe and turning the knob adjust until the need point 0. Okay, it's needs look. We set the rotary knob to 0. No 0. We switch that. Set rotary knob to 0. Yes, that is until 0. Okay. Okay, for next step, select the circuit or resistor to be tested. We select a resistor to be tested. That is resistor. And then for next step, touch one probe to one end of the electrical circuit and the probe to the other ends. Record the measure result on the device. Okay. Touch one probe and of the electrical circuit or resistor. This is a resistor. And one touch. This is. Really? Oh. This is a resistor. Look, you can look. This is 1 kilo. 1 kilo, and this is 2.5. Okay, if the measurement results show in infinity ohm, that means there is no part that can be passed by electric current. In other words, there may be components that burn in the circuit or the conductor is damaged. If infinity ohm, we select to switcher. This is switch to 1 kilo or 10 ohms. 10 1 kilo. This is to 5. Okay, here's 5 kilo ohms. Oh yes. After that, turn off the ohmmeter when not used. If not turned off, something the tin probe can certain will the device is started and drain the battery. Off. This off. Enough. Sorry if there was an error. Thanks for watching this video. Might be useful. Allahumma Hafid ila Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.